This is an important announcement. As many of you will know, the Aaiyyan World Foundation has been struggling to get teachings, courses and translations approved by the wider Aaryanist community. This was severely hindering our effort in producing books, Yantras and other materials beneficial to our members in a timely manner. So with this in mind, we have decided to step away from the Dravidian Aaryanists and form a new holistic school of Aaryanism for our many thousands of members who make up our community around the world. This new school will be called the Marunatunilam School, which roughly translates as the whole world's, this and the next one. This is pronounced Marunatunilam. Marunatunilam. Everyone who joins the Aaiyyan World Foundation will be a member of this new school. As we are in charge of our own destiny now, we will have the ability to release more material without the explicit consent of the wider Aaryanist community. However, we will still be mindful not to break too much from our brethren by releasing taboo yantras and other sensitive works. We will take it one step at a time. Controlling our own school and path also means that we will be able to release certified courses on Aaryanism and will be able to internally promote members based on our own criteria. With this in mind, we will be releasing a Hila course on Aaryanism soon, which will qualify you to become an Acharya level Aaryanist with the ability to teach and mentor others. This course and subsequent courses will be available for free to patrons and at a discount for members. The formation of our own school also allows us to be only answerable to our members. Being made accountable to external schools hampered the Aaiyyan World Foundation, Guru Deval and the many volunteers that work with us. Now that we have created our own school, these external pressures have been lessened. It was also found that other Dravidian Aaryanist schools were somewhat reluctant to allow non-Dravidian members into their fold. By creating our own entity, we can now bypass any misgivings on the whim of others who are beyond our supervision. The new, Holistic Marunatunilam School will reflect the diversity of our members who follow both Tantric, Abhichaara, and non-Tantric paths, as well as those that follow other philosophies such as the Ardra, SainikaH, Aatmaani, Kaaryakartaa and VarNa Schools. To accommodate our various members and their diverse philosophies, we have created a code for our school, which can be summarized in these series of Pillars of Brahman. 1. We are all one with Brahman. 2. Murugan is a means that Brahman can transcend itself via exploring the imperfections in itself to find the greater perfection. 3. There are many paths and philosophies to Brahman oneness, and we respect each one as they are a part of Brahman. 4. Following any school of thought, be it a tantric or a non-tantric one, that is a legitimate path to Brahman. 5. Opening lokas, positive dimensions, and resonantly linking with energy and positive entities via yantras, mantras, and meditation, is a path to Brahman. 6. Opening talas, negative dimensions, and resonantly linking with energy and negative entities via yantras, mantras, and meditation, is a path to Brahman. 7. Opening other forms of dimensional space, and resonantly linking with those energy forms is part of Brahman's being. 8. We repeat the first pillar. We are all one with Brahman. This list is not definitive. We will discuss them further with our members around the world and add more pillars of Brahman as we see fit. So we hope that this clarifies the new position the Aaiyyan World Foundation is taking. We know that there is always some concern when changes are taking place. There was some worry from a few members when Guru Deval was replaced as the voice of the podcast, but that has largely been resolved as the Guru will still be taking a mentorship role with the Aaiyyan World Foundation, and also the new school of Marunatunilam. But, if you do have any concerns, please do contact us at info@aaryan.org. We look forward to hearing from you.